What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys an app that you need to have downloaded to your phone in order to make, on the low end, $60,000 per year, and on the high end, $85,000 per year with no experience. Become financially free and save the day by unlocking cars for people who are stranded on the side of the road, at their home, at their job site. So, if you guys like to know more, stick around for this video. And also, share this video with someone who you know who want to make some more money. It's great for anybody who already has a 9 to 5. You can put in extra hours when you off work, making some good money. It's really beneficial for someone who's going to do this full time and become your own boss doing this. You don't need any kind of experience, no high school diploma, no GED. Only thing you need to have is a car that is no more than 15 years old. You need to have a cell phone, which I'm pretty sure everyone has one. In most cases, you have to have the ability to work on call and have open availabilities, excellent customer service and communication skills. Sales experience is a plus, but not guaranteed and not really needed. You'll need to have a valid driver's license and car insurance. Also, they have a tool set that you can purchase for $120. After you have worked with this company for 30 days, they will reimburse you your $120 back. So you will get your money back that you paid for the tool set. Pretty much you will be offering roadside assistance. They have a variety of services that you can do. However, you choose what service you want to actually do or perform. You can just say, hey, I want to unlock car doors for people. And that is what you will be doing. So you can unlock car doors. You can jump start batteries. You can do battery replacement. You can change flat tires. You can do key programming, key replacement, fuel deliveries, towing, and mobile mechanic. Now this company is going to train you, pretty much send over a video for you to watch, explaining to you guys with details on how to perform the action. So if you're looking for something easy, only thing you have to sign up for is unlocking car doors. Or you might want to, do fuel, help people put more gas into their vehicle when they stuck and they run out of gas. You guys can pick anything you want, but keep it simple. But if you're actually good with your hands, you have a little tools, go ahead and do tire replacement and other services. That's going to boost your income. So all you really have to do is unlock cars for people. They will give you a step-by-step detail video to show you how to unlock it. And it's pretty simple. It's quick. It's easy. Pretty much what you would do is stick like a little flat piece of metal in between the car door. Pry it open just a little bit. You're going to stick this pouch in between the window. You're going to attach a pump to the pouch. You're going to blow the pouch up. It will expand the door open, the portion where the window is. And you will they have a different variety of tools that you can stick into the door to open it up. Whether you'll be opening the door handle or you'll be pushing the lock button to unlock their car. So depending on what type of service you want to offer, will result in what kind of tools you'll need. So jump on this website, take a look around, call the number at the bottom. I'm going to show you guys the number, or you can fill out your name, your information, your address, your telephone number, and they will contact you. So let's get into it. Pretty much we'll be doing delivery services, roadside assistance, helping people get back on the road. And you can do this 24 hours a day. So, like I said from the beginning, if you already have a 9 to 5 job, once you get off, you can put you a few hours in that day. However, if you don't have a full-time job, you want to do this full-time and become your own boss, the sky's the limit. The money-making opportunity you have is right here in your face. So, pretty much all you have to do is fill out the application below. Your first name, your last name, your email, your telephone number, your address, your city, your state. Upload a picture of the front of your ID and the back of your ID and your vehicle. So, benefits of working with 24-hour car unlocking: no clocking in and out on a physical location. Short travel distance to customer's location. Quick car unlock time. Unlocking a car typically takes 2 to 5 minutes for an experienced technician. Lucrative earning per car unlocked. For example, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $35 for each car door you unlock. This can become very lucrative. The income will add up quickly, especially when you consider the potential number of cars you can assist with on a weekly basis. For example, you could be doing anywhere from 30 to 60 cars per week. So at $35 per car, you pull in 60 cars per week. That's over $2,000. However, you make more money when you're doing tire changes, fuel consumption, battery changes, key programming, and all the different services. You get flexible work hours. You get a guaranteed weekly minimum for full-time drivers. So if you're doing this full-time, you can get a guaranteed weekly pay. It doesn't matter if you only do 30, 40, 50 persons that week, you're going to get a guaranteed pay. So, you guys, please check this website out. Download this app to your phone. It's going to be pretty much like any other gig app. Once you accept it, once you're approved, you get the app, you will get an alert to your phone. The alert going to let you know the person name, where they're located, and how much the job is paying. For example, someone's locked out of their car, it's going to give you their first, their last name, the type of vehicle they're driving, where they're located, and pretty much a time frame on where you should get there to. So all you have to do is put their address in your GPS. Your GPS will direct you straight to where the person is. You can perform the task and get paid. Like it says here, you can become your own boss and control your own income.